Well, guys, the hat is off today for some reason. Well, I just want to say welcome back to the channel once again. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Before we get started, I'm always going to say this. Make sure you bring your drinks. And this one is sparkling ice. And the company is Talking Rain Beverage Company. Not a sponsor, by the way. They're in Washington State. So, there's a little bit of that. Why not? There's my drink and my snack. Always happen around California. Tackies. They got a new blend out right there. Fucking ranch. So, before we get the video started, I got to get my drink and snacks out of the way. There we go. All right. That's crunchy. Wow. They weren't kidding. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get the video going. Windows did it again. Another month, another update, and somehow Microsoft still hasn't learned from January's disaster. Excuse me. February 2026 update, KB 5074105, just rolled out. And people are already nervous because last month's patch did not just cause a few glitches. It straight up broke PCs, boot failures, shutdown bugs, black screens, Outlook freeze, cloud sync issues. It was a mess. And even after Microsoft pushed the emergency patches, those patches caused their own problems. So now here we are, 1 month later, and everyone's asking the same question. Is February going to break my PC too? Well, I hate to tell you. Microsoft claims this update is focused on accessibility improvements and cross-device features. AI. So let's be honest. Nobody cares about the new features right now. People just want their systems to turn on, shut off, and not corrupt their files. The community is on edge because January's bugs spread way further than Microsoft expected. Systems with secure launch and VSM were hit especially hard. And even NVIDIA pointed fingers at Microsoft for causing gaming issues. When GPU vendors started blaming Windows updates, you know something's wrong, that's for sure. And that's why this month feels different. It's not that February's update is confirmed to be bad, it's that Microsoft hasn't earned back the trust they lost. Every update feels like rolling the dice with your PC. Some people install it immediately and hope for the best. Others pause updates for a week just to see if the internet catches fire. And honestly, that's the smart move right now. If your system is mission critical, whether you're working, studying, or streaming, don't rush into this update or any updates. Hit pause, let early adopters test it, and wait for the first wave of reports. If you do decide to install it, at least protect yourself. Create a restore point, number one. Make sure your BIOS and drivers are stable. That's 2. Don't stack updates. That's 3. Don't install GPU drivers and Windows updates on the same day or at the same time. That's 5. That's how you avoid kind of conflicts that caused last month's chaos. Now, guys, if February update does break something, here's what you can do. Boot into safe mode and uninstall KB 5074105. Use system restore if you have it enabled. Disconnect external drives if you're stuck in boot loop. Check Microsoft's health dashboard for emergency patches. And if you start seeing visual glitches or game crashes, roll back your GPU drivers. These steps save a lot of people in January, and they'll save you again if February goes sideways. At the end of the day, Microsoft says this update is stable. But after what happened last month, I'm not taking their word for it. I want to see real world results from actual users before I trust anything. So if you've already installed February 2026 update, drop a comment. Tell me what happened after you installed the update. Is it stable? Or is it still giving you crashes? Or are you still having a lot of problems? Just go back through the video and go step by step in how to resolve the issue until you get it resolved. But anyway, guys, just bringing you this piece of news for a little bit of an update so you know that these drivers are not going to be nice. So yes, there are some critical stuff in there in their drivers, but truthfully, if it's going to break your system and you can't trust it, just put your Windows update on pause. Because if you're worried about the updates for your antivirus, Microsoft Defender, you can always go in there to Defender and do the updates manually. So it's not like it's critical to where you have to really worry about the updates, because you can do it in two spots. One, on the Windows Update page, or two, you can go in your Windows Defender and update it from there. So you got an extra way to do it. But anyway, if you did make it to the end of the video and you enjoyed the snacks, you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. It'll help us out. Until the next time, we'll see you on the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.